Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm here with my Shadow Cruiser RV, and if you've been like me, I've been out before and we go to a camp place and where we want to park the camper is too far away, or where you have to put it to reach with a cord that comes with them. Most of them are like 25 feet. You can get 50 footers, but Nilight has sent me this. This is going to be super to throw in the RV, and we go out somewhere when we need a big long cord. This will work great. This is a 100-foot 30 amp RV extension cord from Nilight. We're going to open this thing up, check it out, plug it into the RV, and see how she does. But this is going to be great when we go camping now. Wherever we park, we don't have to worry about being able to reach it. Especially, one good thing this would be good for is I have a 5,000 watt generator. And a lot of times you don't want your generator right by your RV because of the noise. So with this, we can put our generator 100 foot away and run it. That way the noise is away from your RV. You got a 100-foot cord, so I'll probably use it more that way than I would as far as needing a 100-foot cord normally. Let's take this out of the box and check it out. Okay, so let's pull this off. That is definitely a lot of cord. And it has got some weight to it. That's a big cord. You're going to have some weight with that much cord. 100 foot long. It does come in a Ziploc bag. It's a pretty good sized Ziploc bag, and you could probably roll it up nice and neat, stick it back in this bag to store it. It's a good heavy Ziploc bag. So here we have our 30 amp plugs. We have the male end here with the protector on it. And we have our female here. It also does come with one of these straps right here. Let me get it out from under here. So when you roll it up, you can actually hook it on this strap and carry it. So it also does come with this little booklet here, and it shows a lot of the products that they have for RVs. So they have 50 amp stuff, locking RV cords, replacement plugs here. So if you want to cut the cord off and put a new end on, you can do that. They have all kinds of replacement plugs, different kinds of adapters, short cords, adapters. Here we have our cords here. It shows 25 foot, 50 foot, and of course we have the 100 foot. They also have the boxes, 30 amp and 50 amp boxes. They have some trailer plugs, RV interior lights, and a Nilight RV surge protector. So they have a lot of stuff, a lot of different accessories that you can get from Nilight other than just a 100-foot cord. Well, let's take this thing off. We're going to plug this into the RV, make sure it runs the air conditioner good on 100 foot. As you can see, this thing is very heavy duty. This thing is, it says right on here, this is 10 gauge wire. It's very heavy duty stuff. I was going to try to unroll this and not make a mess. That's what I'm hoping to do, but I probably will anyway. So I'm about probably 25 feet away. Don't need the whole 100 right here where I'm at. Okay, run this up here. Going to unplug the one I have now, which is a lot lighter cord. This is a lot heavier. Now we'll come back up here and plug it into our surge protector here. Very good quality plugs, and they even have these handles on them. So you got good grip to pull them, to unplug them, plug them in. And I do like it. It's a right angle plug on both ends. Plug this in. Now we'll take inside and see if the air conditioner works. Okay, so it's pretty warm in here. Let's turn this thing down. Turn it on first. We know we got power. Cool low auto. Let's bring this thing down to 70. Make sure it kicks on. Oh yeah. No problemo. So we're running good. Let's turn the AC on too. Or let's turn on the microwave too. No problemo, because that draws quite a bit, probably as much or more than the air conditioner unit. So yeah, we're doing good. Turn this back off. We know we don't need it on with compressors running. Off. Okay, one thing I wanted to show you is this is the cord that I have with my RV, came with it. And the depth right here on your right angle needs to be deep enough so when you put it on here, it don't hit, and it will plug all the way in to make good contact here. This one barely fits, and I'm not sure that it's going all the way on. See, it's not going all the way on. But if you look at the Nilight, look at the difference in the depth here, the reach you have on the right angle. So that way, when I plug this in, it's solid. It actually fits tighter than this, and it goes all the way in. We still have a little gap here, so we know we're going all the way on and getting the best connection that we can get. That is a big plus. And I do love this 2-finger handle. Of course, this one had it too, but they're a little small. This one's a bigger 2-finger handle. And look at the size of the gauge of this wire. Okay, guys, that is the Nilight RV extension cord, 30 amp, 100 foot, 10 gauge. Super cool, super heavy duty. I really like this. It's going to be handy, especially when I use a generator. Thank you all for watching. I will post a link down below where you can check this out. Nilight has lots more products to do with RV, all kinds of lights, LED stuff, Jeep stuff. You can check out on the website. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you on the next one. Right on.